This is Agent 1 from InVideo AI, one of the most advanced AI video creation tools available right now. With Agent 1, you can create professional product advertisements, cinematic movie clips, engaging storytelling videos, animated cartoons, and much more. What makes it especially impressive is its ability to maintain character consistency throughout an entire video. Instead of generating random-looking scenes, Agent 1 keeps your characters visually consistent from shot to shot, making the final result feel far more professional and cinematic. On top of that, the video quality is excellent. You can generate stunning HD visuals with cinematic camera angles, smooth scene transitions, and production-level storytelling without needing any video editing experience. I've already created several videos using Agent 1, and the results have been surprisingly impressive. Throughout this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how the tool works and walk you through the process of creating your own AI-generated videos step by step. So, let's jump in and get started. InVideo has introduced its new AI filmmaking agent called Agent 1. Let's take a look at how it works. First, you get an option here called Plan a Script, Storyboard, or Video, where you can describe your script or story. At the bottom left corner, you'll see a plus icon. By clicking on it, you can add any files related to your story or script, such as a character photo or whatever reference you want to attach once your script is ready. For now, we aren't providing any references, so we will simply paste our script here. In the prompt, I simply entered the following instruction for my video. I want to create a cinematic video of a character standing on top of a snow-covered mountain preparing for skating. Start with close-up shots of the face, hands, and gear with a cold, dramatic atmosphere. Then move into wide cinematic shots as the character smoothly skates down the mountain using a snowboard with dynamic angles, realistic motion, and a powerful, emotional, triumphant winter vibe. And then, we will go ahead and click on the Generate button. After clicking, the first thing you need to do is enter a name for your project. For example, I have typed Snowboard here and clicked on Create Project. After that, it will ask for the project name again. Enter your project name once more. For example, I am using Ice Skating Man as the project name. Just below that, you will find the short creative brief that you provided earlier. We click on the Next button. Then, you will see an interface that looks something like this. On the left side, you'll see a chat box. Then on the right side, you will see two things. The first is the notebook. In the notebook, all the images and video content generated will be shown here. Next to it is Context. In the section, you will have all the context of the video, such as the script, the character details, the video's idea. Everything will be available in it. After that, it will analyze your script a bit and ask you some basic questions, and then it will start its generation. And here, it is asking for the video details such as duration, format, character design, and audio preferences. In a brief response, we set the video length to 60 to 90 seconds and selected a YouTube-friendly aspect ratio of 16:9. For the character, we provided specific traits like dark hair and a general appearance description. Finally, for the audio, we chose natural, environment-based mountain sounds to keep it realistic and immersive. After that, it will analyze our provided data and then move on to its next step. And as you can see, after this, it has started creating the character and starting to make the images for our location. And look here, that content is now showing up in our notebook. Previously it was empty, but now it's showing. When we click on the character image, it generates a full set of visual assets for the character, including different facial expressions and multi-angle turnaround views from every direction. Along with that, it also provides all associated elements such as clothing details and other character assets in one place. After reviewing this, we close the section. Next, it generates a location or environment reference image for us, as shown here. It also offers multiple variations with different lighting setups and color gradients, and all of them look quite impressive. Since we are satisfied with the results and don't want any changes, we type Yes, move forward to the next step in the prompt. After that, it proceeds to the next stage. You don't need to explain each element one by one because the system is designed to manage everything automatically. It will take care of consistency across the entire video, including characters, settings, style, and overall flow. Once you provide the main idea or script, it intelligently connects all scenes together, keeps characters consistent throughout, and maintains the same visual tone, lighting, and environment from start to finish without needing repeated instructions. And look at this. It has created a complete storyboard for us. Each scene is broken down into individual frames and presented as an overall visual overview. It's really well designed. The characters remain consistent throughout, the location stays the same, and the color grading is perfectly matched across all frames, bringing the entire story together visually. Since we really like how it looks and do not want to make any changes, we will tell it, "Okay, let's go." This will prompt it to begin generating all the videos one by one. Following that step, it prepared our videos, and now they are completely ready. It has created 4 distinct videos for us under Act 1, and they look incredibly good. As you can see, it started by rendering some close-up shots. Take a look at these shots and notice how beautifully it has crafted them. This first one is a shot taken from a top roof perspective. Right after that, it transitions into an eye close-up shot. Let's cut here, and you can see it is currently in the process of generating even more videos. It has already finalized 4 videos under the Act 1 segment, and once this is complete, it will continue to generate the remaining videos. All of our video clips are currently being generated in the background, so let's wait a brief moment for the rendering process to finish. As you can see on the screen, the workspace has populated, and the platform has created these individual segments beautifully. I will give you a quick guided tour of these specific clips to show you how they look. First, it generated this introductory close-up clip of the snowboarder preparing his gear, followed immediately by this intense, fast-paced snowboarding scene cutting through the deep powder, and finally, it transitions into this wide, breathtaking closing shot of the summit. If you look at the top of the interface, you'll see that the system has automatically stitched all of the individual clips together into one seamless timeline. Now, let's play the final video and look at the result. Look how it created this whole thing. Beautiful. Notice how the character's facial features, gear, and overall identity remain perfectly consistent across every single frame of the entire video. Additionally, the crisp, cool color grading is excellent and stays completely uniform across every sequence, while the rugged mountain terrain remains seamlessly matched from shot to shot. All of these elements come together flawlessly to produce a highly impressive, professional-grade cinematic sequence. If you ever need to make adjustments, the process is very simple. For example, if you come across a shot that doesn't look good and you want to remove it, just open the chat section, simply type the Remove Clip 7.3 and send the message. The AI will process the request, regenerate the sequence, and update the final video accordingly. As you can see, the revised version has now been delivered, and the selected clip has been successfully removed from the timeline. And in the same way, if you want to change anything in any clip, you can simply call them up just like before and tell them what needs to be done and what doesn't, and then send it. They will automatically keep adding all those things for you and make the changes. After that, you will see an option named Open Slate Editor. When you click on it, it will open up in its own editor. From here, you can manually edit the clips. For now, let's cut it from here. And let's move on to the context section. All the details of your project are available there. This includes your main theme and storyline, details about your characters, and the overall structure of your video. Then the entire structure of your video is available there. It also stores your audio settings here. All images and data used in the video are also stored there. You do not need to repeatedly recall or repeat anything for every image or every step. The system automatically uses this stored information. All this data is locked in the context section, and it will be used going forward for everything. It already understands and carries forward all the details on its own. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.